Hello, my name is Burling Shirt, and I'm joining the FIM 3 challenge for June 2022. I live in Burien, Washington, which is just south of Seattle. My native language is English, and I'm studying Irish. Now, I've started a previous challenge, and then I got really sick. I've been in and out of the hospital every month since the first of the year. So pardon my voice, pardon my lowered energy. I've studied Irish in a previous challenge, a couple of previous challenges, and was starting to make some good headway, and then forget that going. I speak at some level Spanish and German as well. My biggest struggle with it, with language learning, is developing the vocabulary and practice. I need to practice speaking and listening and hearing. And I'm committing to 6 days per week, 30 minutes per day for now. I don't know how much energy I'll have each day, so I'm kind of keeping it at a low level this time. I've read and agreed to all of the points 1, 2, 3, and above. And I appreciate everyone at FIM Fluent 3 months, Benny, Shannon, Elizabeth, and all of the people that provide support. So thank you. I appreciate it. We'll see you in the challenge.